Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Still on the series of quadratic equations. Today we'll be finding a quadratic equation whose roots are being given. In this video, we have a question. It says, find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 number 1 over 2 and minus 1. Alright, we'll quickly solve this. First, we are going to say let alpha be equals to 2 number 1 over 2 and beta be equals to minus 1. Now remember, in our last video we established a formula, and I will just record the formula here for sum and product of roots. It says s squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So with this formula we can get the quadratic equation. All we need to do is to substitute these roots into this formula. Alright, remember alpha and beta are the roots of the general quadratic formula. So quickly we can do this and get our results. So we can see this becomes s squared minus alpha is 2 number 1 over 2 plus minus 1 x, our beta is minus 1 plus alpha, plus 2 number 1 over 2 times 1 equals to 0. Okay, so we can simplify this. We have here s squared minus, this is 5 over 2 minus 1 x plus 5 over 2, our beta is minus 1, times minus 1 or equals to 0. We can simplify further, so we have s squared. Then solving this, we have minus 3 over 2x. 5 over 2 minus 1 gives us 3 over 2. And then our x is here. Then minus times plus times minus gives us minus. And then 5 over 2 times 1 gives us 5 over 2 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are 2.5 and minus 1. But we can make it look better by clearing the fraction. So we multiply through the equation by 2 to clear fraction. We multiply through this equation by 2 to clear fraction. So we have 2 times s squared minus 2 and 3 over 2x minus 2 times 5 over 2 equals to 0. So we are multiplying through by 2 because the lowest common denominator here is 2. I repeat, we are multiplying through this equation by 2 to clear these fractions because the lowest common denominator of the fractions is 2. Is that okay? So simplifying further, we have 2s squared minus 2 cancel out with 2 here, so we are left with 3x, and 2 cancel out with 2 here, we are left with minus 5 equals to 0. So this goes off with this goes off with this. And so we have this as our quadratic equation. So this is the quadratic equation whose roots are 2.5 and -1. All right. So you solve this for me. Try this. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are -3 and 2. All right. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video.